Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, dun, 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 I have my favorite beauty advent calendar. Today I received LookFantastic's advent calendar for 2020. Do you want to know what's in all my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the LookFantastic Beauty Advent Calendar for 2020. This was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your Advent Calendar. You guys, the last 2 years, I got this bad boy myself, and I told you this is my favorite beauty Advent Calendar. I still hold to that because I've tried a lot of them, and this is my favorite one. Right now you can get this for pre-sale. This is $110 and it has a value of $640. $640 value for $110. You can follow the link down below to purchase one. It is pre-order now until it's actually available to purchase. So you can snag your spot and get it while it's on pre-order before it sells out. It's sold out like the last 5 or 6 years in a row. So if you want to check them out, the link will be down below. And here's a new thing. If you sign up with a 3-month subscription to the beauty box that they have, which is amazing, then they take $20 off this bad boy and you can get it for $90. And that's all by following the link down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what this is all about. This is the packaging for 2020. I think it is so cute. Honestly, I think the design of this box and the colors are a lot better than last year, but I think it's really pretty. So this is what the outside looks like. And then when you open it up, dun, dun, there is all of the boxes inside. Okay, so box number 1 is right here. And we have a gold box. And inside here is Natasha Denona product. You guys, okay. So this is a blush glow duo, blush and highlighting powder. What? The first box is Natasha Denona. And I do not have this. I do have, I think, 2 eyeshadow palettes, but I do not have like a blush or a highlighter. So that is amazing. So there's the outside. And then when you open it up, ooh, there is a little mirror. And then that is what the colors of the highlighter and the blush are. That is beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you. So here are the 2 colors. You can barely see them because I did a little swipe, but that is really pretty. That'll give you like a nice subtle glow, and that blush is really pretty as well. Oh my gosh, Natasha Denona. Like, I never would have thought that would have been in this advent calendar, but you know, there we go. So number 2 is down here. Number 2 we have is a Luxie brush, and this is number 522 tapered highlighter. Well, that's really cool because there's a highlighter in here. So there's that. Let's see a little something, something. There we go. So you have a highlighter brush and a highlighter. That's awesome. Okay, so let's find number 3. So number 3, we have the Molten Brown London. This is a delicious rhubarb and rose shower gel. I did get one last year. It was a shower gel, and it was like a fire or something or other. I'm not quite sure, but I actually really liked it. And oh my gosh, I'm so glad the rhubarb like counteracts that rose scent. So I actually like that. It does not smell like rose. That's amazing. So there is a shower gel that I definitely will use because I do not smell rose. So that's awesome. Number 4. It's this big jar or drawer. And oops, that thing was almost opened. So this right here is the Radial, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure, Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. And that's a really good size. This is a, does it tell me what size? Yes, 3.4 fluid ounce. And it has the top where you just like push it down and it gets the liquid right in here, and you dabble with your cotton round, your cotton ball, whichever you're gonna use to clean your face. So there's a good size cleansing water. That's awesome. Number 5, the cream eyeshadow. So the color would be 532 and it'll be a cream eyeshadow. There's the actual packaging. And then when you open it up, ooh, that looks kind of like a goldish shimmery kind of color. I'm not quite sure, but let's kind of see what it would look like. Ooh, it's definitely very creamy. It's right here. Very, very creamy. That's nice. And that looks like a light color that would look really pretty like on my lower lid. Ooh, so I'm glad I stuck my finger in here because any normal shadows that I get that is a cream base, I just keep passing them down to you guys. So I actually like that. I can't wait to try that out. Number 6, we have a Philip Kingsley. This is an Elasticizer Therapies Deep Conditioning Treatment. Oh, so is this for your hair? Vanilla and Orange Blossom. Before shampooing, yes, so this is a hair treatment. Ooh, I love anything that is like a hair treatment, a hair mask, anything like that. It's just a white liquid. And it does have a nice scent to it. So that's nice. Not too strong, but it has a nice little subtle scent to it. So I'm excited about that. Number 7. So number 7, we have a product by Ren Clear Skincare. And this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. And I have used this product before and I actually really liked it. So I'm glad to get another one. So that's awesome. Number 8, we have is an Eve Lom cleanser. There's that. And I hear this brand is really, really good. I don't know if I've actually used anything, or especially not like this. So there's, oh, it smells good. There is like a cleansing balm. That's really nice. And I'm really glad to get this because I use cleansing balms like every single night to get my makeup off. So I'm really glad to have this one to try out. So that's awesome. Number 9, we've got this little guy. This says Diego Dalla Palma 01. What is this thing? It says that it's an eye pencil. Okay, so maybe like an eyeliner, because that looks like that would be a black. It's in 01. Yes, ooh, and that is a thick black, like it's very pigmented black. So we have a black eyeliner, which I use black every day, so I'm really good with that. Number 10 is this big guy right here in the middle. And ooh, let's see, what's all you? This is Rituals of Sakura. This is a Celebrate Each Day body scrub, organic rice and cherry blossom. That sounds amazing. Ooh, and it sounds like it's gonna smell really good. There's a complete seal. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. But it was tilted a little bit because it was the way that it was packaged. But there's the body scrub and it smells so good. It's breaking down a little bit more that I'm moving it around. So this product, here, let me push it down with my hand. It's definitely not filled to the very, very top. But once you kind of push it back in, it's filled about like there. More than halfway, but not quite full. But oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't wait to try that in the shower. I love body scrubs. I just don't like face scrubs. Number 11 is this little guy and it says Tan Luxe Super Glow Hydrolonic Self Tan Serum. So it'll be a self tanning serum right there. It seems like they always put like 1 or 2 kind of like a self tanning product in there. So there's one. So let's see if we get another one. I don't use any self tanning products, but I know a lot of people do. So anything like that, I'll just set aside for you guys. So in number 13, we have a face mask, like a nighttime sleeping face mask. And it's like a navy blue and it's like a silky design to it. And you block the light out. I like that because this is not tight at all. So like I don't even really feel the thing behind my head. And that's really nice. And it blocks out all the light. Got a new face mask and that looks like it's by GLOV. Looks like the brand name on there. That was 13 and I skipped 12. So here's 12. Oops. So this looks like it's a liquid lip by Ilamasqua. So there's the packaging. And this color is, says Loaded Lip Polish, vegan. I don't really see a color name. Oh, Vogue? Maybe Vogue? Let me break this seal. So here's the color. And you can see it like in this little window. That's kind of cool because then you can see like if you're getting low. So there's that. Again, there's that color right there. It's like a pink mauve color. It's really, really pretty. So I think they did a really good color. Then we have now 14 because I went out of turn here, sorry. So number 14, we have an Elemis product, you guys. So we have Elemis Pro Collagen. This is the Oxidating Night Cream. Yay, we have a night cream. I love Elemis, so, and there's that. So we have Elemis. And Elemis is expensive. So 15. And, oh, this looks like it might have leaked just a little bit. Ooh, just a little bit. A little bit of leaking, but not a lot, so that's good. And it does have a little protecting lid over it, so I don't know, maybe it was just a little opened. But this is a vitamin C serum. C vitamin serum, fragrance-free, e-cooking, moisture boost. Boost! So there's that guy. The lid felt a little loose, so maybe that's how it leaked, but it still seems pretty full. So only like a little bit came out, which is okay. Number 16. Number 16, we have a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. This works, and this is a 3.3 fluid ounce. Whoa, what is this? 24-hour skin solutions. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. I love a good face moisturizer or something like that that you can put on before you go to bed and wake up all nice and refreshed. So I love that. 17, we have a product here. It says Silver Skin Saver. And I do not want to butcher the name of it. So hopefully you guys can read that right there. And it doesn't have any instructions or anything, so I'm not quite sure what to do with this product or what it's used for. So I have to do a little bit of research. It feels like a, I don't know, it feels kind of like a, some kind of a sticky little serum in there. There's not really a scent to it, but it says Silver Skin Saver. But it looks like a really pretty bottle, and it looks like this is like an expensive brand. It just looks of quality. It says SOS Argent on the back. SOS Argent, A-R-G-E-N-T. And this is a 0.5 fluid ounce, 15 milliliter. So there is that. Number 18. So number 18, we have Sleek Makeup Hydrating Primer, moisturizing. And this is a 20 milliliter. So we have a face primer, which that's really good to get. 19. Number 19 is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Very pretty packaging for sure. Looks like that. So we have a mascara. That's really cool, especially by a good brand. 20. We're getting down to the wire, you guys. This is the part that I don't like. I wish these boxes would just keep coming. So this is Mio, I'm not sure. It says Clay Away Body Cleanser, 2-in-1 wash and mask. This is a 30 milliliter, and it says apply this versatile wash to wet skin all over your face and thoroughly rinse off. For more intense treatment, apply to dry skin and leave on for 2 minutes before rinsing off. So that would be like the mask part of it when it says wash and mask. So you can use it as a normal cleanser and immediately wash it thoroughly, or leave it on for a few minutes first as like a mask. So you have like a 2-in-1 product. You can use it either way you would like. Number 21 is a time filler. This is a cream, an absolute wrinkle correction cream. And I think that is a really good brand. And yeah, so it's the time filler. Makes sense to kind of fill time aging that shows on your face. So there's that you get to try out. So 22, we have a Clydesdale. This is a purifying gel cleanser. So we get another cleanser, which again, I'm totally fine with getting all of these cleansers because I use them every single day, and we get to try out some really cool products. So this one is 23. This is an Avant product. I haven't received this one before though. This is the Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil. What? Rose Quartz Revitalizing and Firming Mask. Yeah, I've never tried that before, so I'm so excited to try a new product because it's normally like the night cream that we get that's by this brand. So yay, I got something new to try. That's awesome. So 24. So this one looks like it's a double-ended. It says Lord and Berry Burnett number 1706 Perfect Brow Magic Pencil Definer. So, oh, one end has a little spoolie. And then the other end, you have the actual brow gel that's in that end. And again, it's in the color brunette. So there is the packaging right there. So number 24. So number 25, you guys, the very last box. The very last box. Can I make this last any longer? It's right in here. And it is ESPA 24-hour balancing moisturizer. Oil balancing moisturizer to help hydrate and clarify. Nice. And that is a big size, you guys. That's really neat. And this is, like I said, this is a big bottle. And I don't smell anything, but that's what the product looks like inside. So we have this to put on a 24-hour balancing moisturizer. So that is everything that came in this beauty advent calendar by LookFantastic. Okay, you guys, so I just kind of put my boxes back in the box so they were not in my way because I want to do a quick recap for you guys so we can kind of go through and see everything that we just received. So going over no rhyme or reason, we have the ESP 24-hour balancing moisturizer. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. We have this Clear Away Body Cleanser. We have a new Avant product that I have not tried before. We have the Ready Steady Glow, the Evelum Cleanser. We have the mascara by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have this Silver Skin Saver product. We have the Clydesdale Face Cleanser, the Time Filler. We have the Face Primer by Sleek. We have the liquid eyeshadow. We have the eyebrow pencil. We have an eyeliner. We have a lipstick. We have a self-tanning product, so there's only one this time. Here is a vitamin C face serum. We have a Luxie highlighting brush. We have this big Rituals Celebrate Each Day body scrub. We have the Works 24-hour skin solutions. Philip Kingsley product, which is the hair mask. Molten Brown shower gel. Dragon's Blood cleansing toner. And what I'm really excited about is a Natasha Denona blush and highlighter duo. So, oh, and the face mask, you guys. Okay, so that is everything that came in the new 2020 LookFantastic Beauty Advent Calendar. Please comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items inside? Again, this is my favorite when it comes to the beauty advent calendars. Everything else that I've received, I paid way too much and got very small, little tiny products. And it was very sad. And I spent a whole lot of money the last few years trying to figure out which were the best and which wasn't for you guys. So this is my favorite beauty advent calendar. I've said that the last 2 years and I'll keep saying it because it is. So that is everything. Again, if you want to check them out, the link will be down below. You can definitely check it out, secure your spot before they sell out. Yes. So please comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.